Have you guys been using the Character.AI app and wondering on how to change the username on it? Then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the username in the Character.AI app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Character.AI app. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this. Now tap onto your profile icon at the top right corner, just right here. Now select it. Then here you can find the settings option at the top, just right here. Now tap on it. Then here you can find your username just right here. Now to change it, simply tap on it. Then remove the name just like this. Now add a new name just like this. Tap on to save changes just right here. Now tap on it. And now you can see the username has been changed. That's it. This is how you can change your username in the Character.AI app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.